Nolo Online Legal Education App. The pros, the cons. The Nolo Online Legal Education App aims to make legal knowledge accessible, but most people get this wrong when they assume legal learning is only for law students. The surprising truth is that business owners, landlords, and individuals can all benefit from understanding basic legal concepts, and Nolo provides a practical, user-friendly platform. One major pro is clarity. The app offers plain language guides on topics like contracts, estate planning, intellectual property, and employment law, helping users understand their rights and obligations without confusing legal jargon. Another advantage is flexibility. Users can learn at their own pace, revisit lessons, and apply knowledge immediately to real-world situations, whether drafting a will, forming an ELC, or negotiating a contract. However, there are cons. The app provides general legal education, but cannot replace personalized legal advice. For complex situations or disputes, users still need to consult a licensed attorney to ensure their actions are legally sound. In conclusion, the Nolo Online Legal Education App is a valuable resource for anyone looking to increase their legal literacy. It empowers users to make informed decisions, avoid common mistakes, and understand essential legal concepts. For everyday legal knowledge, it's excellent, but for critical or complex matters, professional counsel remains necessary.